If you choose the wrong product, your Amazon FBA journey is over before it even begins. But if you choose the right one, you can turn a few $100s into a scalable income stream. In this episode, I will show you exactly what to look for and what to avoid when researching products. Welcome to episode 3 of Amazon FBA Mastery series. Now that your Seller Central account is ready, the next step is the heart of your business, choosing a product that actually sells. Product research isn't guessing, scrolling randomly, or copying someone else. It's about using the data and strategy to find products with real profit potential. When you are researching, aim for products that meet most of these criteria. 1. Lightweight and easy to ship. Under 2 pounds is ideal. 4. Lower shipping and FBA fees. Non-seasonal. You want consistent year-round demand. 3. Price range between $15 to $50. This range gives you a healthy profit margin while staying affordable for buyers. 4. Clear demand. Products should have consistent sales on Amazon, not viral one-offs. 5. Low to moderate competition. Avoid categories dominated by big brands or with thousands of identical listings. 6. Non-fragile or complicated. Skip electronics, liquids and glass to reduce returns and damage risk. Here are the top sources beginners can use. Amazon bestsellers. Check top-selling items across categories. New releases and movers and shakers. Quickly rising product. Frequently bought together sections. Great for bundle or variation ideas. Customer reviews. Look for complaints or I wish it had comments. If you are using tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, great, but beginner can still research manually and succeed. Stay away from these product types: trademarked or branded products, saturated niche with identical listing, extremely low priced product, hard to profit, oversized or complex to ship item, dangerous goods, hazmat restricted. You don't want your first product stuck in customs or rejected by Amazon. Before choosing a product, check this. How many sellers are offering the same item? Are most sellers using generic or branded listing? Do top sellers have 500 reviews? Are listings poorly optimized with weak images or titles? Are the gaps you can fill? The goal isn't to create something completely new. It's to offer something better than what's currently listed. By now, you should have a list of potential product ideas or at least categories you want to focus on. In episode 4, I will show you how to validate those ideas with real data so you don't waste money ordering a product that won't sell. If this episode helped you understand how to start researching product, hit like and subscribe to stay with the series. Thank you for watching.